In this video, we'll show you how to remove likes on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Over time, you may have liked various posts, and now you might want to go back and undo some of those likes. If it's a recent post, you can easily find it either by searching or on your homepage. From there, just tap the like button again to unlike it. However, if you want to see all the posts you've liked in one place, you can do that too. Start by tapping the menu icon, which may be in the bottom right or top right corner of your screen, depending on your device. Then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, expand it and select Settings. Next, scroll down and under Your Activity, tap Activity Log. Here, you'll find a list of all your actions on Facebook. Tap Comments and Reactions, then select the Manage button. Now tap Filters at the top, choose Categories and select Likes and Reactions. You'll see a list of everything you've liked or reacted to. From here, you can start selecting the likes you want to remove, and once selected, tap Remove at the bottom. Confirm your choice, and you're all set. If you found this guide useful, please like the video and consider subscribing for more tutorials.